Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Ticketswap customer service. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ticketswap account, which of course I have done right here. Then the next thing is, how can you create an account in Ticketswap? For you to do that, launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type ticketswap.com and that's going to take you into the official website for Ticketswap. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Ticketswap. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to contact Ticketswap customer service. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have jobs, your tickets, your listings, you have the cart, and you have the question mark here. So click on this question mark and that's going to take you right into the help text. So you can find answers fast in the help center by clicking on start searching. But if none of those can actually work, the articles provided there can solve your need and you just want to reach out to them directly, scroll the way down till you find still need help or here for you. Go ahead and click on get in touch and it takes you over here. So find the best way to reach out. You can send them a message or you can give them a call. So go ahead and click on, let's say, give us a call. So need help right away? Only call if something needs to be fixed immediately so we can help everyone. If it's not urgent, send a message or WhatsApp us. So you can click on yes, please now or no, it's not urgent. So I'm going to go all the way back and head over to send a message. So go ahead and click on send a message and you have this option right here where you can send them a message. So go ahead and say something else or just go ahead and continue to chat with the bot. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.